With a major shift on the horizon, the price of the cryptocurrency XRP is skyrocketing. Mikkels, I've had a lot of people asking me why XRP is making a splash right now. I want to discuss the recent developments in XRP in this video. Why did this breakout occur? You must understand why. XRP's meteoric rise is due to my firm belief that it will inspire you to be optimistic and enthusiastic about the future. The video ended with, additionally, I would want to discuss two noteworthy upcoming events tomorrow. The first one has to do with Ripple and XRP in particular. The second one has to do with the market overall and the possibility of circumstances that could lead to a complete collapse of this market. Make sure you watch the entire movie since it is something you must not miss. Right from the off, I feel compelled to mention that XRP is clearly emerging from this massive symmetrical triangle at the beginning of the film. Keep in mind that these are merely weekly candles. XRP might still retest them. A number of fakeouts have happened before, but this one seems unique. Consequently, Mikkel, a lot of people were phoning me to inquire why this was happening right then. As if it weren't enough, there is no accompanying news. If nothing had occurred to XRP, it appears it would not have made it this far. Listen, here's what I have to say. Just like this, XRP functions. At this time, XRP is known to be quite inexpensive in comparison to other coins on the market. Be careful with the XRPVs. A Bitcoin chart like this one. It is clear that XRP is not cheap. A Bitcoin chart like this one. It's clear that XRP has lagged behind Bitcoin this year. That being said, it's not uncommon. When compared to Bitcoin, XRP lags behind at the moment of new all-time highs in nearly every bull market. Nearly every time we've witnessed a Bitcoin spike, XRP follows suit. Although XRP has not yet reached its maximum, its foundation is more solid than it has ever been. It is well known that an increasing number of financial institutions are utilizing XRP. The XRP ledger is seeing an influx of new programmers. A game-changing modification might be the addition of an automated market maker to the XRP ledger. Additionally, Ripple is making great progress in convincing governments and businesses to construct actual financial infrastructure on the XRP ledger. So yet, the price of XRP has failed to reflect all of these excellent updates to its foundational elements. Over the past year or two, XRP's foundational features have been progressively improving. Frequently, fresh information is provided to us. Defeating the SEC in court is one example of a common victory, such as Ripple's. Nevertheless, the pricing did not reflect that. Everything came to a halt due to the lack of movement in the pricing range. However, the price is beginning to reflect all of those significant increases in XRP's worth. The scientific aspect is paramount. It seems to me that we still have a ways to go, guys. Before we can talk about XRP having a reasonable market value, I think it needs to be trading for $5 to $10. A price of $3 would be necessary for XRP's annual growth to match Bitcoin's. The two currencies' proper places could be compared. Based on my research, I believe XRP will take such action. Every time the market has gone up, XRP has performed similarly to Bitcoin, if not better. At this point in time, it's entirely possible. We could go on and on about how XRP's fundamentals don't hold, how Ripple fails entirely at the XRP ledger, how the coin doesn't gain traction, etc. So we can then move on to discussing how XRP is falling behind Bitcoin. However, the polar opposite is evidently correct. What is the true purpose of this pump? Then, things have sold out quickly, albeit at affordable pricing. We can see that individuals are beginning to grasp the concept of the XRP ledger. Despite the many legal issues we've faced, more and more individuals are beginning to recognize that XRP is the way to go for institutional-grade blockchain technology. This will have a significant impact on the cost, ladies and gentlemen. Additionally, as you can see from the image, we have barely scratched the surface. It appears like the market's realization of how incredibly inexpensive XRP is just now taking hold. Previous results indicate that XRP will most certainly make up the difference in no time. There is more to come. The events of the following week, month, or even 2 months are completely unpredictable. I don't think it's that crucial. Given the current rate of improvement in XRP's fundamentals, it would not be surprising to see it reach these all-time highs, climb above $3 to match Bitcoin's gains for the year, and then continue to rise even higher. I want to emphasize once again how difficult it is to discern whether we have truly made progress on this image. This can cause XRP's value to plummet and get it trapped once more. However, my opinion is that a cursory examination of the chart swings. One excellent point to make is that XRP is rapidly increasing in value. The fact that we have a great distance to travel is something I have previously mentioned. Conversely, I would say that things are looking good at the moment. On its own chart, XRP appears to be about to break out of this symmetric triangle with a bang. Things have never looked better when comparing XRP's past performance against Bitcoin with Bitcoin's current performance. Dear everyone, what's going on with grayscales is just another fascinating shift in the market that has me wondering whether there will be some major leaps ahead that nobody seems to be prepared for. I assume that most of you are familiar with Grayscale's Bitcoin service. It has dominated the news. There are several videos on this station that cover this topic. However, Grayscale offers additional tools such as Chainlink, which may be unknown to many of you. The over-the-counter OTC price of Grayscale's Chainlink product is depicted by this light gray line. To sum up, what exactly is it? There is insufficient liquidity for a stock. Nothing connects it to the public pricing of Chainlink. Since this fund is the legal owner of Chainlink, you can have faith in the price of Chainlink on CoinMarketCap. Consequently, Chainlink's owners are selling the asset at a significant premium to its true value. Just why is this taking place? How could this have occurred? Banks are racing into Grayscale stock products rather than purchasing spot Chainlink, which is the only conceivable explanation. In the end, it proves that the institutions involved in this agreement are being deceived. The value of these other derivative goods is declining as a result of the excessive market activity caused by numerous institutions seeking exposure through whatever means imaginable. Listen up, folks, I believe the spot market will finally make up ground. It is imminent. There is a current effort by institutions to limit product sales to these other locations and avoid the spot market altogether. Nevertheless, their actions will eventually be visible on the spot market, causing these prices to quickly increase. In spite of your best efforts, I persist in my belief that the market is on the verge of a meteoric rise. Analysis of XRP in comparison to Bitcoin, two instances of this are XRP on its own chart and Chainlink in comparison to these futures products. As an example, I believe that the inflation data might be a major trigger. The US. Inflation figures that are released tomorrow will determine the level of risk that institutions will encounter. Many financial institutions are planning to enter this market in the event that inflation remains low or falls even more than predicted. Institutions view cryptocurrency trading as dangerous. When the world is calm, people consider investing in cryptocurrencies. When times go tough, many seek refuge elsewhere. In a hurry, they make a beeline for the bank. However, organizations will only take chances when they are very certain that doing so will not put them in danger. The day of low inflation appears to be drawing nearer and closer. Triflation predicts an inflation rate of around 1.66%. At this very moment, the government is continuing to use 3.1. Consequently, large institutions will be able to begin taking significant risks in the Bitcoin market once the US. In the long term, the official figures will inevitably resemble the triflation figures. Currently, they are beginning to do just that. One of the largest bull markets ever fueled by institutions is beginning, and you are witnessing it, ladies and gentlemen. Exactly as we had anticipated, everything is falling into place. Things are moving at a far faster pace than I anticipated. Each day brings us one step closer to the one and only truth, you guys. The anticipation of what's to come has never been higher in my heart. Finally, I'd like to express my gratitude to everyone who stuck around until the end and draw your attention to something else. I really ought to devote more channel time to discussing this. When I'm performing live, I bring it up frequently. Nonetheless, I appreciate it very lot. You are the first ones, folks. You all are the movie buffs that stay for the entire run. You all mean the world to me. You all are awesome. Some of you have been with us from the start, and I appreciate that. I truly appreciate it in this instance. As a last noteworthy event, tomorrow we'll see Jose Tenero, the lead attorney for the SEC, and a lead attorney